introducing our new workshop. It's running under the control of the ISO13485. Let's go. Firstly, this is our some small room meaning for some pre-checking process. This is the physical and chemical labels. And the next room is our pure author room. All the author goes into our workshop will go through this room first. And here are some test equipments. Next, we will go to our workshop. Because we have not started producing our workshop, but I will show you the process of our standard steps. Firstly, we need to put our things into the Let's go! This is our first dressing room. Let's wash the hands first. Dry your hands. Small work. The second dressing room. During our standard process, we need to get dressed here before we go to the room. Pink one. We can check our appearance from the mirror. Okay. Let's go to the room. Here is our clean workshop. It's empty for now, but we will manage it for next And this room is some facial product. upper room. After we produce them here and we put the goods in this room. We have put the newest view system in here. In this room, it can be cleaned to wait for next steps. And in this room, it's mainly for the out assembly and the out packing. And this room is not like that cleaning workshop, maybe so strict. It's another room. It's mainly for packing and some house assembly. It's assembly line. It's also empty for now. And here will be our QA area after the assembly. Next will be our warehouse. In this room, it's mainly for unpacked components unpacked before they go to the clean room. And this room with unpacked components, and the next room is mainly for cleaning the components. In this room, we have the recycle system and the UV lines running for components cleaning. Okay. After the cleaning, we put the components here. And we'll go to the cleaning workshop that we just visited. So we do not go from here, but the components will go from here. Okay? That's it. So this is our journal today. Hope you like it. Okay, bye.